what that is? Did I do it right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Usking taught me that. Anyways, yeah, I appreciate you guys coming through today. I haven't been here for 5 years, so I'm glad to be back. She said, we know. No, I've been here for 5 years, so yeah, I'm glad to be back. I was glad to have a day to kind of explore New Zealand this time around, and I learned a lot. Last time I didn't know anyone here, so I didn't really know what to do, but this time, you know, thankfully I met Wolfgang, and yeah, he took me around to, you know, a lot of spots. I went to, what is it, like the Homeland radio station, and I shot some content, went to South Auckland. Yeah, it was cool, man, it was cool. So I'm glad, we got the rugby experience, All Blacks. So, it was fire. I was very, very, very inspired to say the least. So appreciate you guys coming through. Give it up for my DJ Wagon. And how is it like? How's the crowd like in New Zealand? I heard it's kind of more chill.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little more chill. Yeah, up the walls. Hey, what does that mean? Right? Okay. Right. It's a good thing, right?
Yeah.
Because I thought it meant something else. Oh, look. Anyway, let's go.
Baby, I wish you were here. 어떤 색깔인지 넌 어디서 너의 몸에 말하게 baby it is alright 몸을 태어나면 let's talk all night 말하게 baby it is alright 몸을 태어나면 let's talk all night 우리가 너무 답답해 어디서 알아들지 못해 Baby, I wish you were here. 어떤 색깔인지 넌 어디서 내게 message 말하게 baby it is alright 몸을 태어나면 let's talk all night 말하게 baby it is alright 몸을 태어나면 let's talk all night that body time.
Hey, appreciate you guys in the back, just vibing out over there. What do you guys? Are you guys Maori or Samoan? Samoan? Maori? Samoan? Tongan? There's a lot of what's that? What's that? What? Maori? Oh, Maori. Oh, you're Maori. Cool. Awesome. Okay, cool. I can't really hear these. Anyways, yeah. I appreciate that. They try to keep the tradition and everything alive and the culture alive. I appreciate that about New Zealand. It's dope. It's a small country, but I feel like the spirit is very big. So I could feel that energy. So it's nice. It's very, very nice. And we're doing the haka later. Well, I'm not doing it, but before the show. So I look forward to seeing that. What's that? Haka. I can't do it. Nobody taught me how to do it yet, so I gotta do it. I got a long ass tongue up. Anyways, yeah, but I love the intensity. I love the culture. I love how everyone's like connected. Legacy is very important to everyone because that's very important to me as well. So, anyways, anything you guys want to hear?
Finish line!
Finish line?
Finish line!
Oh my gosh. Bro, I haven't rapped that line in like 6 years.
All I want to do.
I can't really say if you're the something. I can't really say I can't really say if you're the ass in the break you there. That's all I know. I probably have to look at my phone. Anyways. Yeah. 다음 거 갈까?
Your love is the sweetest sound. I know my heart just pounds. Your touch, I write it down. So high I can't come down. It's hopeless to notice, baby, like a siren. And you gave me faith. Oh, you're the answer all my problems solved. Life with you is so beautiful. I won't trade it away. I was lost but found my purpose now. I'm glad you're keeping me around. I won't trade it away. But the right pour down oil, no crown. And the same way you did as yesterday. But the right rich or poor, just call me yours. Love me the same way you did as yesterday.
You guys don't know this song? Damn. You guys know it?
These mountains can't breathe. I far from the sky view. But a little bit I can drive you. It's hopeless to notice. And baby, like a siren. Oh. And you gave me faith. You're the answer all my problems solved. Life with you is so beautiful. I won't trade it away. I was lost but found my purpose now. I'm glad you're keeping me around. I won't trade it away. With the right or down or no ground. The same way you did as yesterday. With the right rich or poor, just call me yours. In the same way.
That's what I want to hear. Alright. Cool. Thank you. Yeah, if you know it, sing along. Don't be afraid. Don't be shy. Be like the smallest little guy. It's like a ballad ass song, and they're like,
Same way it is.
I like it though. The Polynesians get down, right? You hear? I know. Fire. Anyways, yeah, man, it's gonna be fun today. It's the last show of the Serenades&Body leg of this tour. So
Anything special today?
anything special? Yeah, I mean, I have some special guests and yeah. No, I appreciate it. Everywhere, you know, every country I've gone to, like, you know, the local artists and the industry and the media and, you know, the creators and everybody, they really show me a lot of respect, so I appreciate that. I'm very, very grateful. And so, yeah, you know, just to create fun moments for the fans, you know, unexpected collabs, et cetera, et cetera. So, yeah, man, do they listen to hip hop in New Zealand? Yeah! Cool. Let me rap for you guys, let's go. Hey, how does Jersey go number go? Yeah, where the party at? Females only go where the party at. Money and the fame, I need all of that. But these fans voted for you on the starter camp. Yeah. Once upon a time I was broke. Used to see me as a joke. Now they see me as a goat. Now that mean I'm plus the foot. Why you bros acting like hoes? Swear I got 'em by the throat. I said I got 'em by the throat. Now slime with leather, yeah they call me boss. She check on me down the side. You're not in the guys that but they be having my dick in their mouth, so I let her enforce it. My niggas be moving like Austin. I thought that these idols are rappers, but don't really care for them. I got them Boston. Yeah, that I just don't reason like chicken, so my go and go cause you're Boston. Not your joint team, I'm the kind of son, so only one. Just say, not that your joint team, I'm the kind of son, so only one. Yeah, they talk is never done. Asian boy, put that mic down, that's what they say. Tattoo on me, on they more that's what they said. Sao, I'm back on mine, yeah, that's what they said. But me, I never gave a fuck about what they said. Look at me now, I'm only Mr. So improved. Better than number one, but motherfuckers don't know what to do. Look at me now, I'm only Mr. So improved. Better than number one, but motherfuckers don't know what to do. Up. They can't get enough. No, I've never been a gangster, but I get respected up. You're Jamal and being challenged, yeah, you jerk to eat your mouth. You gotta eat your mouth, I'm a fucking woman on me. Just to never call. All I wanna be the me, or all the girls call me. Never buy the little Jenny, else a touchy party. Shaka be my number, bad man, I wanna be. Fucking wanna be, you a fucking bad for the economy. Better hit the dash when you get the cash to send you up to astrology. You don't get a pass cause you playing ass, bitch, flowing all up in your arteries. Take a one the country, go and sing a bit around them, and that's what they be calling me. Oh, they go out to. Okay, New Zealand, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all. Love. And I'll see you guys in a bit, okay?
형 잘생겼어.
Appreciate it.